Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your weekend love bite. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So this is just a mini little check-in to see what your energies are like this weekend. For the weekend of the 6th of November, 6th, 7th, 8th. Let's see what you need to know for it. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, as always, I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you. Let's see what my angels will bless you with or guide you for blessing or an advice from my angels for Libra. My angels, please give us a blessing or an advice card for Libra, please. Blessing or an advice card for my Libra. Okay, this one. Confidence. It's a matter of confidence. Libra, are you lacking some or do you have too much of it? I have no clue why this card is here. Let's see what the rest of the reading is going to say and how this card is going to connect with it. Suddenly my throat. What happened? I was doing well. Oh my God. Oh God. Sorry. I just noticed. Libra, look at this card carefully. The angel also has her hand on her throat, which is exactly what I was doing right now, holding my throat, trying to avoid, the sudden choking feeling that I was getting. So are you having a difficulty in speaking or something, or talking or revealing some truths that you need to? Are you lacking the confidence, or is maybe your partner's? Oh my God. See this? Okay. Okay. All right. So, welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for being here and being part of the Omkara family. Thank you for all your support to this channel. I'm very blessed to have you here. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. So let's begin your reading quickly, Libra. If you guys need a personal reading, my schedule is open. You can mail me at my email in the description box below. Four of Wands. So there is something on your mind, Libra, maybe a happily ever after. Let's see your first card. Page of Swords, Three of Pentacles, and the Sun. Six of Swords, Eight of Cups, and the Five of Swords. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's happening here? Page of Swords in reverse. Somebody's done something very, very naughty here, Libra. Somebody has been gossiping. Somebody has been watching somebody else. I think whatever this person has done, I have the Three of Pentacles here as well, which is in reverse. So this could be a third party or something. Somebody's called Judgment. Drop this relationship because something has happened here, Libra. Somebody's gone a wrong direction here. And I think they are dealing with the karmic repercussions of that. I think they've come to a point here where they've realized what has happened. They are feeling the brunt of their karma. They are feeling things are not working out now in their favor. And they are now enlightened and looking for happiness once again. They want to now drop this burden altogether. They want to heal broken hearts here. They know they've done something wrong, gone in the wrong direction. Libra, this could be you, could be your cross watcher. And now I think somebody wants to return here. So let's start clarifying the cards here. I am also seeing a big fight coming up, or maybe there's a conversation required, which I think somebody doesn't have the confidence to speak about. This game that was played, which kind of hurt somebody, or a fight which happened between the two of you. Let's start clarifying. We'll get to know in a second. So what was this Three of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse? Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, whatever happened here, some secrets came out, right? Somebody did the nasty here. Somebody called judgment on them, left them to deal with their own karma. And after these secrets came out, I think the other partner, Libra, you or your partner, I think you closed this chapter out completely. This could have been dealing with third parties or not showing your hand or not working together. There were secrets which came out about this, and somebody decided to take a call on this and close this chapter out completely, because one person felt that there is absolutely no wish fulfillment to be had here, right? So what's the Sun card, Spirit? What's this Sun card? Yeah, I think this person got enlightened big time. They were, I think, very happy to be in this relationship, but the moon and the sun both are here. So whatever secrets were revealed, they were kind of highlighted here. But this, having the moon and the sun also means an equal pair, right? But the moon is in reverse right now, which is the only, not a good part, because the King of Cups is here in reverse as well. So somebody could be mind manipulating, playing games, not showing emotion. And I think the other person has just cut off communication now, has dropped this partnership altogether, shut this chapter out, gone off for their own happiness and trying to heal their broken heart after this relationship has gone wrong direction, totally. It was, if it had to go left, it's gone totally right here. Yes, see, nothing is moving now. Nothing is moving, because I think somebody got caught here. Okay, somebody got caught here, things were revealed, and the other partner is now just taken off. But who's this person who wants to return now, Spirit, with the Eight of Cups? Oh my God, Eight of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Cups. Somebody is desperately wanting to return back to their happy space. So if there was a breakup here, in a partnership here, if there was a partnership here where you guys really felt like soulmates and maybe were planning or thinking of a happily ever after, somebody played some stupid game here and the other person caught them, I think, Libra, and now after a lot of healing and a lot of self-reflection, somebody is wanting now to return back and make a choice now. They want somebody to make a choice in love and maybe have them back in their life, it seems, have them return. So then what's this Five of Swords, Spirit? Five of Swords. Somebody is very restless here and is wanting to communicate about dropping a fight. Yes, whatever fight has happened, whatever, as I said, somebody must have had a fight here or something. So somebody wants to communicate here that, hey, listen, I'm sorry. I don't see a sorry here, to be very honest. But somebody is feeling very restless about having this conversation about this fight. They actually want to drop it and they want to communicate regarding it. Okay. I don't see an apology, Libra. If it's you, then I think you need more than a conversation here. This person has already left and is healing their heart and has dropped this relationship altogether. So this communication is a problem, I think, because you're not being able to move forward. You're still kind of healing. But I have the communication card once again, right? So there's communication, but here's the apology. I spoke too soon, Libra. Somebody does want to communicate, somebody does want to apologize, and they desperately want to return. Okay? So let's see what they're going to say. Yes, they are no longer wanting to have any third parties, Seven of Cups in reverse means that they don't want to be confused or have any options. They know the cup that they want now. They have decided that they're very clear on that choice now. Right? If in case this person was still not sure of their choice or whatever, now they are sure and that's what they want to communicate. Let's see. Eight of Wands, Spirit, for Libra. Eight of Wands for Libra. I think this person's been in isolation mode for a very long time, is totally bored now. because I think the other person has just taken off, and person A, whatever, this masculine, I think, has been isolated and been thinking, but now they are desperate. This is desperation. Eight of Cups, wanting to return, wanting to come out of this hermit mode now. Again, there's another card of return, the Three of Wands, wanting to come back to the way things were and maybe start anew again. This is the conversation the masculine wants to have in the relationship. So, Page of Cups, Spirit, will they be able to apologize? Page of Cups. They're a bit afraid of the feminine, I think. Oh God, they're so afraid of the feminine. They think this feminine is the Queen of Swords in reverse. She's bitter, she's upset, she's angry, she's no longer nurturing, no longer giving, no longer, concerned with them anymore, and is totally cut off from them. So even though they want to come in with a small apology, I think they're a little not confident, it seems, to face this this feminine energy who they think is going to kill them. I mean it as a joke, right? They're just scared to face her right now. So anything else, Spirit, for the four? Yeah, they are still kind of nervous. They're still kind of nervous. They don't know how to, right? They're still trying to kind of find out news or get information in a sneaky way as to where this, feminine is at. Should I not? They don't have the confidence right now to speak. Yes, confidence. Yes, that's why the card was here. They need some confidence they want to have some clarity, I think, before they can actually approach this feminine here. They're looking for some sign, looking for some piece of clarity which will give them the confidence to be able to take this step forward to make that apology. Seven of Cups, Spirit. This masculine is feeling very, very ungrounded. They're not feeling happy. They're feeling that their world is rocked right now. They also know that they have this whole problem, all this confusion has been created by them, right? This weekend, I think they are coming to terms with this, that yes, now I am clear, I'm no longer confused, that it was my maybe harsh words, my rude behavior, my not making a decision, always being at crossroads, not choosing the path forward has actually backfired and put me in an unstable place for me. The feminine is upset and gone now, but where does it leave me? This person is becoming more and more clear and not confused anymore. Yes, I do see this person still healing, still contemplating, still kind of thinking about these things, and feeling rather foolish, to be honest. Okay, they lost something which was of great value and importance to them because they couldn't make a decision, or they had some silly fight or something. This masculine is very scared to lose the feminine and is holding on strong, not wanting this death to happen of this relationship, and knows that this whatever sneaky behavior was done, it actually backfired on them. Totally backfired on them, because now they are the ones who have realized what they've done and are feeling rather foolish about it, right? Maybe there will be a sudden conversation here. They are thinking of having the sudden, catch the feminine by surprise maybe, and give some clear truths and have, see, this is the same Ace of Swords, and so does this angel have this sword. So they are thinking of maybe a conversation which happened in the past which led them to a tower moment, or maybe now they're thinking of bringing in another tower moment and fighting for this connection once again. So Spirit, what can we expect now for Libra's weekend? Any action, or are they just thinking about it? Oh my God, somebody wants to send in a message here. Somebody wants to send in a small message. They want to take some action, and it's regarding exactly with the first card that we started. Remember, I was telling you, this is on your mind, the Four of Wands, and they want to discuss this. They want to take action towards their Four of Wands once again. But this time I think they're going to start small, they're going to start solid, and just dip like dip their little toe in the water to check, what the temperature is like. Take it slow, steady, but maybe stable. Okay. So there is hope. Yes, there is hope. This is on their mind, a return back to their stable place. So Libra, this could be you. Okay, with this on your mind and moving towards your feminine. But this could be your cross watcher, Libra, coming towards you. Next week, of course, we will tap into their energy as well and see what they are thinking about you. But till now, heal, and there's no harm in an apology, right? If you've done something wrong, it'll just make you feel better by doing the right thing. I would suggest take that leap of faith and send that message. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Libra. Love and light. Take care. Namaste. You can manifest anything you want. Remember that. Okay? Till next week then. Love and light. Namaste.